Hi, hello. My name is Idris and today we're looking on how to make a ring for 3D printing using Zbrushcore. The first thing you want to do is go and look up your ring size on Wikipedia and make a cylinder that is the diameter of your ring and another cylinder that is 1 millimeter thicker. And then you want to go into Zbrushcore and you want to append two spheres and import those two cylinders in. The first one is the inner diameter of your ring, and the second one is going to be the outer thickness of your ring. The outer thickness is just there to guide you to make sure that you have enough thickness to 3D print the ring once it's all done. So I duplicated the inner diameter, our actual inner diameter model, duplicated that, renamed it ring, because this is the ring we're going to be making. Then go into deformation and inflate it. I dynameshed it first. Turn on polish for the dynamesh. Since we're making a ring, you want to have the volume to be as clean as possible. Turn our outer diameter check on. Turn symmetry on X and Z. Then go into deformation and inflate it so that it reaches or exceeds the thickness we want. Like so. Now I sped up the video because now it's more ZBrush. It's very specific to the ring I made. I didn't know what to do, so I just made up something as I went. Mask the shape of the ring you want, and then go into split mask, remove that, dynamesh again, turn the perspective off, and now we have the base of our ring. I went to the Museum of Natural History in Nantes a week ago, took a picture of an owl, and I thought maybe I would try and make a ring, an owl-based ring, but you can do whatever you want. Now you have your basis for your 3D printing. It's a cylinder, not hollow. That's what you want to start with. Then you can sculpt whatever you want. This, for the purpose of this demo, I made an owl. You want to avoid going too much too deep inside. So you want to add you can add as much as you want. You want to avoid going too deep, because that might affect the 3D printing requirements. So yeah, here we're using the clay build-up brush, diamond standard brush, sculpting all the details in. I made this in 20 minutes. Masked dynamesh, masked split dynamesh to get the top of the head to be a bit more hollow. When it dynameshed, it filled the cut I made, but it's not really an issue because it works with this specific ring. But you can go in and sculpt it out if you want to make something different. Try to follow the pattern I saw in the picture I took. appended a sphere, moved it into position. Had an issue because I wasn't on the right side to mirror and weld. It took me a while to figure it out. So using control, I duplicated the eye, then mirror and weld. And now I merged it down and dynameshed again. So now it's part of the same mesh. So now we have much cleaner eyes to look at. Dynamesh again. And now it's pretty much done. So we check that our thickness is correct, that it matches or exceeds the ring thickness check we did. Delete the bit we removed earlier, it's not useful. Then go onto your inner ring diameter, set it to the Boolean subtract, so it's the second option. On there are two circles, you want to pick the one next to that on the right. Just checking it there. There you go, click on that. Then merge down, and what this will do is it will say that the part we've selected will be subtracted when we dynamesh. Merge down, and then we dynamesh, and now that part we merged down will be removed, subtracted from our ring, and that will give us our ring shape. So now we know, because we've made it into another software, we know this is the diameter we want, we know the thickness is correct. So now we're pretty much good to go. All you need to do now is go to File, Export. Just looking at a few options I could do. But now you can go to File, Export, Export for 3D printing, and then you can upload it to a website or print it if you have a printer. There I'm uploading it to Shapeways, see if it works. And there you go. Passed all the tests, you can now order and print your ring. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again in another one.